Are you tired of struggling with mismatched, disorganized food containers that take up unnecessary space in your kitchen? Look no further. The Homberking 32-piece food storage containers set is here to revolutionize your meal prep experience. With a sleek black design and airtight snap lids, this set is not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Versatility at its best. This comprehensive set includes 32 pieces in 3 different shapes and 8 various sizes, catering to all your storage needs. Whether it's a small 8 ounces portion or a larger 51-ounce meal, Homberking has you covered. The 8 rectangle, 4 round, and 4 square containers are perfect for different uses, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. BPA-free and leak-proof. Say goodbye to concerns about harmful chemicals in your food containers. Homberking prioritizes your health by using high-quality BPA-free plastic. The addition of a durable silicone strip ensures 100% leak-proof storage, keeping your food fresh and your bags stain-free. Feel confident about the safety of your meals with these environmentally recyclable lunch boxes. Convenience redefined. The Homberking containers are not only safe but also incredibly convenient. Microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator safe, these containers can withstand temperatures from 20 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Easily transition from meal prep to a warm, delicious dish by reheating directly in the microwave. Cleanup is a breeze as you can toss them in the dishwasher, and the ability to refrigerate with the lid enhances ingredient storage. Stackable and space-saving. Tired of cluttered cabinets and chaotic kitchens? Homberking has you covered with stackable containers that save space and keep your kitchen organized. The non-slip strip at the bottom ensures stability, and the transparent material allows you to quickly locate your desired contents. When not in use, nest the containers neatly in a drawer, and voila, a clean, comfortable kitchen. Extra large capacity for every occasion. From lunches and snacks to meal prep, parties, festivals, gym sessions, leftovers, picnics, and travel, the extra large capacity of Homberking containers makes them your go-to choice. Portable and easy to clean, these containers are a must-have for any busy lifestyle. Rest assured, the brand stands behind its products, and customer satisfaction is their top priority. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.